I did not plan to help anyone today. I just wanted to buy milk. But sometimes life has a different plan.
It is Tuesday morning. The sun is out. The air is cool. I put on my jacket and pick up my bag. Leo is sitting on the sofa. He watches me. I'm going to the shop, Leo. I'll be back soon. Leo blinks slowly at me. That is his way of saying, okay. The supermarket is not very big, but I like it here. It is quiet in the morning. I take a basket and walk inside. The floor is clean. The lights are bright. I can smell fresh bread from the bakery. I walk to the first aisle. Milk, eggs, bread, apples. I look at my list. Okay, milk first. I am looking at the yogurt. There are many kinds. Strawberry, vanilla, plain. I pick up the strawberry one. Then I hear a voice next to me. Old woman. Excuse me. I turn around. There is an old woman. She is short, she has white hair and kind eyes. She is holding a piece of paper, a shopping list. She looks a little lost. Old woman. I'm sorry to bother you. Can you help me? Of course. What do you need? I'm looking for olive oil, but I don't know where it is. She shows me her list. Her handwriting is small and careful. Olive oil. Yes, I know where that is. Come with me. We walk slowly through the shop. Her name is Margaret. She tells me this as we walk. Margaret. I usually come here with my daughter, but she is busy today. Ah, do you live nearby? Yes, just 5 minutes away. I have lived there for 30 years. That's a long time. Yes, she smiles. It feels like home. We reach the oil aisle. Here, this is the olive oil section. There are many bottles, big ones, small ones, different brands. Oh my, there are so many. What kind do you usually buy? I don't remember. My daughter always picks it. That's okay. This one is good. I pick up a small bottle. It's not too expensive, and it's very popular. Thank you. You are very kind. We walk to the checkout together. Margaret's basket is small, just a few things. Olive oil, tea, biscuits, 1 orange. The cashier smiles at us. Cashier, did you find everything okay? Yes, this young lady helped me. The cashier looks at me and nods. Margaret pays. She counts her coins carefully, 1 by 1. There. She looks up, satisfied. Perfect. She puts her bag on her arm. Then she turns to me. Thank you again. Really. It was nothing. I'm happy I could help. No. She shakes her head gently. It was not nothing. It was kind. She smiles one more time. Then she walks out the door. I walk home slowly. My bag is heavier now. Milk, eggs, bread, apples, yogurt. The sun is still out, a little warmer now. I think about Margaret. She just needed a little help, and it only took 5 minutes. Sometimes helping someone is very simple. You just have to say yes. I open the front door. Leo is still on the sofa. He looks up at me. "I'm home, Leo." He stretches his front legs slowly. Then he curls back into a ball. I put the shopping away. I make a cup of tea. I sit down next to Leo. Outside, the street is quiet. Inside, everything is warm. It was a good day. A simple day, but a good one. Now, let me ask you, what would you do if a stranger needed help? Would you offer to help them? Tell me in the comments. I'll love to read from you. If you liked this story, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps me so much. And press the bell so you see my next video. Thank you for learning English with me today. You are doing really well. See you next time.